What's going on, guys? It's your boy TREA-STYLEZ. You know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so for today's video, guys, I've got a review from a brand called helloice. So yeah man, they actually reached out to me a couple weeks ago to send me a watch to review and showcase to you guys, yeah. So yeah man, I just want to say like a massive thank you to the team at helloice. Really do appreciate it, man. And yeah man, I'm really excited to show you guys this watch that they sent me, because fam, this is wicked. Like, you guys definitely need to get your hands on it, man. Yeah man, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah man, let go. Alright guys, so if I quickly take you guys through the helloice website, yeah. So first of all guys, like when you first land on the page, yeah, like it's like bare vibrant, do you know what I mean? I really do like that. And I really do love like this picture right here, man. So they've got like a cool summer sale going on. So it's buy one get one free, yeah. And then they've also got like a code for you to use as well. So I feel like that is like really dope. So yeah man, this is the website, guys, yeah. I love how they've got like, you know, like the different pictures of like everything that they sell. So they've got pendants here, they've got chains, they've got earrings, they've got a section for women's as well. So fam, this is not only for the guys, you know, ladies, yeah, you guys can shop there as well, do you know what I mean? So I feel like that's like really dope that they've made it like, you know, like inclusive. And I really do like that, man. If you scroll down here, then you guys can see their Instagram of how people styled some of the items. So I feel like that's like really cool. And then here as well, you've even got like unboxing videos of people on YouTube who's done videos of the brand. So yeah man, soon, yeah, hopefully my video will be here soon, you get me? But yeah man, I feel like that's dope still, do you know what I mean? So yeah man, overall, yeah, I feel like the website, wicked man, it's dope. Alright guys, so moving on to the packaging, yeah, so it comes in this black jewelry box. Really do love like the box. It's really nice and sturdy, and on the front you guys can clearly see the helloice logo, yeah. And yeah man, overall, yeah, I feel like the box has like a really nice presentation. And also as well, I feel like this would be like a good storage box as well. Say for example, after you guys finish wearing your watch, yeah, you guys can put it back into this box as well. So I feel like I like the fact that they've given you something that you can store the watch in, if that makes sense, do you know what I mean? Because I feel like some brands, they only come in like, say for example, like a polymailer bag, if that makes sense. But with helloice, yeah, you've actually got like a box to store your item in. So I feel like that's like really dope, man. So yeah man, if I just go ahead and just open this box, on the front you guys have this protective piece of foam paper just to like protect the watch. You guys know that your watch won't get like damaged during like shipping or anything like that. So I feel like that's like really sick. And yeah man, when you first open the box, yeah, this is the watch that they sent me. This is the helloice Roman numeral in white gold. So yeah man, on the website, yeah, you guys can actually get this in different colors as well. So you guys have green, you've got gold, you've got rose gold, you've got like bare options on the website, man. But with me personally, I chose the silver one simply because I just felt like it just goes with majority of outfits, you know what I mean? This actually retails for £53.99, which I think is like a really sick price for a watch like this icy. Like fam, you can't beat that price. Do you get what I'm trying to say? £53.99 is a good price, do you know what I mean? Like fam, like the price point is wicked, man. So yeah man, so what I'm gonna do now, yeah, I'm just gonna quickly pull up the specifications of the watch on screen for you guys, yeah. So obviously you guys can have like a quick read through. Alright guys, so this is the watch here, and oh my days, like fam, like first of all, yeah, it's just like the diamonds for me. Like fam, like this thing is like bare blingy, man. Hey yo, you know like Nikki said, yeah, bling if to watch out, tell them watch out. I put the block out. So yeah guys, like fam, like this is so freaking dope. Like look how icy this is. Like I don't even think you guys are deep in this. So yeah man, on the face of the watch here, you guys can see that it's got like the Roman numerals. So yeah man, I feel like that's like really dope. And then on the lock of the watch here, you guys can see the helloice logo imprinted as well. So yeah man, and what I really do like about helloice here, I really like the fact that this watch actually came with like a sizing tool. So obviously you guys can adjust the size of the watch to fit your wrist. And I feel like that's like really dope, because this is something that you guys can do at home without having to go to like a jeweler shop. So I feel like them adding this feature to the packaging here, I feel like it's just like takes like the customer experience to the next level, man. So I haven't got around to resizing it yet, so that's why it kind of looks like a little bit big on my arm. I don't know if you guys can tell. But the fact that they've got like the sizing tool, yeah, obviously I can like adjust it to fit the actual size of my wrist, if that makes sense. So obviously I don't have to go through the hassle of going to like a jeweler shop or anything like that, man. So I feel like that's like really cool. So yeah man, overall guys, yeah, I feel like the watch is like really dope, really iced out. And I feel like you guys definitely need to like, you know, like consider adding this to like your jewelry collection. And I feel like it just kind of like take your outfit and your look to the next level. Like fam, like imagine if you guys wear this to the club, yeah. Like fam, like the diamonds on this, yeah, they'll be dancing. dancing, man. And yo, you know like Coffee said, yeah, I'm in a move but my diamonds dancing. Also as well, I feel like this makes like a really good gift as well. For example, if it's someone's like wedding, anniversary, or birthday or anything like that, yeah, fam, get them like an iced out watch like this. Like, you guys can't go wrong. You guys can't go wrong, man. Alright guys, so obviously you guys know that my name is TREA-STYLEZ, yeah. So basically what I've done, I just basically put together like a dope outfit just to give you guys like a little bit of styling inspiration of how I would personally style this watch. So yeah, man, I just got this white and yellow tee, yeah, paired with some white skinny jeans, and I've also got this yellow do-rag as well. And fam, it's a look. It's a look, do you get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, man, that's just basically like a quick and easy way of how I would personally style my watch. And also it's just giving you guys like inspiration as well. Like, if you guys were thinking of purchasing, yeah, then obviously this is the way that you guys could style yours as well. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, definitely let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are saying about the outfit. And yeah, man. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys liked it. Once again, I'd just like to say like a massive thank you to the team at helloice for sending me this dope iced out watch here. Really do appreciate it, man. The link to the watch will be in the description box for you guys here, just in case if you guys were interested in purchasing. Then obviously I've already made that easier for you guys, man. Definitely let me know your thoughts of the video in the comment section down below, yeah. And if you guys have shot from helloice before as well, definitely let me know the pieces that you guys cut, man. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. Yeah, man, I'll see you in my next video. My gun.